What's going on, everyone? So I've got some fantastic news today. Got a massive smile on my face. Everything is going perfectly with this car. I took it home yesterday and left my Golf 3 here, and I've put almost 100 kilometers on it already without a single issue at all. I haven't had a single problem while I've been driving it, which is fantastic. I couldn't be happier. There's a lot of stuff I still need to get done, but right now all I'm going to do is put the rear license plate on, spanner check a few things on the car, and then from there we'll see where it goes. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching the video, guys. That's all I've got for you this week. Hit that subscribe button to follow me on my journey while running this motor in for 1,000 kilometers. After that, we can take it back and get tuned for some serious power. Thanks for all the support, guys. Really appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment and let me know if you want me to cover anything specific or what content you want to see from this build. I'm definitely sure we'll take it to Kalani a few times and see what it does down the quarter mile. I've never had a chance to do that before, so I definitely want to do it. Stay awesome everyone. See you in the next one.